Have you ever looked out the window during a long meeting, wishing for a life that allowed you more time for yourself? That was me, filled with restlessness as I sat in my cubicle, daydreaming about adventure and spontaneity. I knew I had to make a change before my dreams faded away. I took the leap, fueling my journey. I discovered a world where each day brought new opportunities, allowing my passions to flourish. My journey was not without challenges, but taking that bold step led me to the freedom I had always craved. Today, I want to inspire you to chase your own dreams. From the challenges I faced to the strategies I used to overcome them, I'm pulling back the curtain on my journey to financial freedom and independence. If you're ready to ditch the daily commute and create a life that truly reflects your values and passions, then this video is for you. Get ready to be inspired and motivated to take control of your life and create the freedom you've always desired. To achieve a seamless blend of productivity, leverage collaboration platforms that cater to both environments. Enhancing communication and project management efficiency. Embracing this hybrid model not only boosts employee satisfaction, fosters innovation and teamwork, bringing the best of both worlds together for a thriving workplace. By utilizing the right tools, every team member can thrive, whether they're at home or in the office. AI streamlines workflows, allowing teams to focus on creative aspects rather than mundane chores. By doing so, efficiency flourishes. By embracing these technologies, organizations not only improve output, foster an environment where innovation thrives, ultimately redefining success in the modern landscape. By dedicating a brief period each day to these educational platforms, you will enhance your skills progressively, making continuous learning a sustainable habit. Consider focusing on specific topics. Ultimately, integrating these micro-learning sessions into your routine will empower you to stay relevant in a rapidly evolving landscape. Continuous learning is essential for professionals to adapt and stay relevant in a fast-paced environment. Embracing lifelong education not only enhances individual capabilities but also drives innovation and progress within organizations, ultimately leading to greater success and competitiveness in the workplace. As industry standards evolve, staying informed will ensure continuous career advancement and fulfillment for every professional. Maximizing productivity can be achieved through intentional scheduling, allowing you to create a structured framework for your day and increase focus. Implementing these strategies not only enhances efficiency but also cultivates a deeper understanding of your tasks. By embracing these practices, you can unlock your full potential, fostering an environment where concentrated effort leads to outstanding results. Ultimately, mastering time blocking and deep work can transform the way you work, creating a path to extraordinary achievement. With print on demand, creators can bring their visions to life, offering a diverse range of items tailored to their audience's desires. This approach caters to both creativity and economics. In this way, artists not only express their creativity, cultivate a sustainable business model, making it an advantageous choice for both budding and established creators. This innovative solution ultimately democratizes access to the art market for everyone involved. These ventures enable individuals to monetize their talents seamlessly. In this evolving landscape, the digital economy not only fosters creativity, empowers aspiring entrepreneurs to forge their own paths, demonstrating that with the right tools and ideas, anyone can turn their passions into profitable ventures. Niche blogging allows you to explore specific interests, connecting with like-minded audiences, creating valuable content that meets their needs. Embracing niche blogging empowers you to carve out a distinct online presence, interact with your audience authentically, and monetize your passion effectively. It's an engaging journey that transforms your interests into a rewarding venture while fostering community and influence. These side hustles provide flexible avenues to earn extra income while managing your time effectively. Embrace the opportunity to fuel your passion and financial growth with these innovative, low-maintenance options. Engaging with like-minded professionals can provide valuable insights, mentorship, and potential job leads that can significantly enhance your career trajectory. Utilize these platforms. By actively participating in discussions and sharing your expertise, you not only increase your visibility but also build a network that can lead to unexpected opportunities. Embrace these digital avenues to secure your future in your chosen field. Improve financial literacy by leveraging budgeting tools like YNAB or Mint and develop smart investment strategies. Prioritize work-life balance by scheduling digital detox sessions, using mindfulness apps, and decluttering your workspace. Automate processes effectively by integrating tools like Zapier, IFTTT, and Microsoft Power Automate into your daily tasks. By doing so, you not only save time but also reduce errors, allowing you to focus on more important aspects of your work and drive productivity. Embrace automation and transform the way you tackle everyday tasks for a more efficient future. Virtual presentations incorporate various techniques, enhancing your ability to engage audiences through platforms that foster seamless communication and collaboration. Utilizing platforms such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Miro can significantly elevate your presentation skills. By honing these skills, you will become proficient in delivering impactful virtual presentations that resonate with your audience. Ensuring your message is conveyed clearly and effectively, ultimately leading to successful teamwork and collaboration in any environment. Enhance your email management with smart sorting and automated responses. Set clear daily goals and review them weekly to track progress and adjust where necessary. Develop strong task prioritization skills, distinguishing between urgent and important. Experiment with productivity methods like the Pomodoro technique for focused work intervals. Practice mindful communication in meetings to stay concise and effective. Utilizing cloud storage enhances document accessibility and ensures secure management for users. Adopting cloud storage solutions not only protects your documents but also provides the flexibility needed for efficient collaboration in today's fast-paced digital world. Embrace this technology to streamline your document management and enjoy peace of mind knowing your data is secure. Invest time in mastering keyboard shortcuts to speed up digital tasks. Utilize project management apps to maintain clarity on deadlines and responsibilities. Engage in virtual team building activities to strengthen team cohesion remotely. Cultivate a growth mindset to adapt quickly to changing work environments. Set boundaries for work hours to prevent burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Use ergonomic workspace designs to enhance comfort and reduce strain during long work hours. Incorporate regular stretching or quick exercises during breaks to boost energy. Explore digital journaling for daily reflections and stress management. Improve digital literacy by learning advanced Excel, Google Workspace, and CRM tools. Attend virtual workshops and webinars to stay updated on industry trends. Learn the art of delegation to free up time for high-priority tasks. Engage in cross-department collaborations to enhance teamwork and innovation. Master virtual collaboration tools to maintain strong communication with remote colleagues. Practice proactive problem-solving by addressing potential challenges before they escalate. Learn to craft compelling reports and presentations that capture attention. Manage notifications smartly by prioritizing alerts that truly matter. Schedule regular one-on-ones with team members or supervisors to align on goals and expectations. Foster a proactive mindset by setting weekly intentions and reflecting on achievements. Embrace continuous learning with certifications or online courses that align with career goals. Organize digital files systematically to avoid clutter and improve efficiency. Cultivate emotional intelligence to navigate workplace challenges gracefully. Practice effective decision-making by analyzing data and anticipating outcomes. Create templates for recurring tasks to save time and maintain consistency. Encourage open communication in your team to address issues swiftly. Foster a culture of accountability by setting clear expectations and follow-ups. Engage in regular skill assessments to identify growth opportunities. Adopt cloud-based collaboration tools for seamless remote teamwork. Utilize video communication effectively by learning to present confidently and concisely. Participate in mastermind groups or mentorship programs for shared learning. Manage stress with mindfulness techniques and regular wellness practices. Focus on solution-oriented thinking in problem-solving scenarios. Develop resilience to adapt to workplace challenges and changes confidently. If you're finding value in these tips and want to stay ahead with more strategies to master the 9-to-5 grind and build your online business, make sure to follow, like, and subscribe. Your support helps me bring more content that empowers you to achieve financial freedom and business success.